Hello students, we are in a new chapter. The chapter is practical geometry. We are in the first exercise. Exercise is 4.1. Let us read the first question. Construct quadrilateral ABCD where AB equal to 4.5 cm, BC equal to 5.5 cm, CD equal to 4 cm, AD equal to 6 cm and AC equal to 7 cm. Now, what will be the procedure of construction? Let us. Dear students, here at first let us draw the rough diagram. Any quadrilateral, suppose this is ABCD. AB is 4.5 cm, BC is 5.5 cm, CD is 4 cm, AD is 6 cm and the diagonal AC is 7 cm. Now what will be our procedure of construction? Our procedure of construction will be, we shall draw two triangles. Okay, for each triangle this will be the base. For triangle ABC, AC is the base, and for triangle ADC, AC is the base. You can see AC is the base of the first triangle, ADC. This is D. So AD is 6 cm and DC is 4 cm. And here one more triangle you can draw. This is ABC. Okay, AB is 4.5 cm and BC is 5.5 cm. AC was 7 cm. In this way we can construct. Now what we do? Let us take all the measurement of this size: AD, DC, BC and AB. Okay, students, you can see here we have drawn this AC 7 cm. We are starting from here. There are the different lengths AD, DC, AB, BC, all are drawn here. Okay, instead of drawing these lines, you can put dots also. Here one dot, here one more dot. Like this, you can draw all these lines. Let us start with this triangle. At first, let us take the measurement of AD, which is 6 cm. We should put the compass here with the radius. This AD equal to 6 cm. We shall draw an arc. Again, from here, this is CD. CD, this is CD, 4 cm. So where we should put the compass? At C. Putting the compass at C, we shall draw an arc. So let us construct that. Students, now we take the measurement of AD. Okay, this is taken, this measurement is taken, you can see. Now where we put the compass? At A. Let us draw an arc. Okay, now let us take the radius 4 cm, that is measurement of CD. Okay, this measurement is taken, we should put the compass at C. Draw an arc. This point is D. You can see this point is marked at D. Now let us construct this triangle ADC. AD is drawn. Now let us draw CD. CD is also drawn. After that, let us take the measurement of AB, putting the compass at A. So let us take the measurement of AB. We have taken the measurement of AB, which is 4 cm. Let us put the compass at A. AB, so this will be B. Okay, students, now which is left? BC, 5.5 cm. So you can see that we have taken the measurement of BC. Where we put the compass? At C. We have drawn this arc. These two arcs intersect at the point B. Now let us join. We are joining AB. Then we shall join BC. Now let us write the measurement of each. AB is 4.5 cm, BC is 5.5 cm, DC is 4 cm, AD is 6 cm. Students, in this way we have constructed the quadrilateral ABC. Dear students, we have taken one more question. Question is, construct parallelogram MORE where OR is 6 cm, RE equal to 4.5 cm and EU equal to 7.5 cm. So let us draw the rough diagram. This is our parallelogram. Suppose this is MORE, M-O-R-E. OR is 6 cm. You can check. RE is 4.5 cm. Okay, EO, this diagonal is 7.5 cm. Now dear students, we know one property of parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. So this is also 4.5 centimeter. This is 6, so this is also 6 centimeter. So just like the previous diagram, we should construct this one also. Here, at first, let us take the diagonal as the base. EO is 7.5 centimeter. Now one triangle here we can construct. Suppose this is R, and one more triangle here. So this is MORE. Okay, you can check. ME is 6 centimeter. MO is 4.5 centimeter. Opposite sides are equal. This is 6. RO. This is RO 6 centimeter. This is also 4.5 centimeter. Okay, now what we do, let us draw the diagonal at first and let us take the measurement of other two sides. Alright, dear students, you can see that here we have constructed or drawn the line EU, which is 7.5 centimeter. Now here we shall construct triangle ERO, and here at the bottom we shall construct the triangle EMO. Okay, initially let us proceed. Dear students, let us take the measurement of ER or RE, which is 4.5 centimeter. Here we have taken the measurement. RE equal to 4.5 centimeter is taken. Here RE, so we put the compass at E, and arc is drawn. Okay, next RO is 6 centimeter. This measurement, let us take the measurement of 6 centimeter. Now we shall put the compass at O. Okay, so they will intersect here. This point is R. So now let us join ER and RO. Let us draw these lines. So the first upper triangle is obtained. Let us draw the triangle EMO. EM equal to 6 centimeter and MO equal to 4.5 centimeter. You can see that we have taken the measurement of this 6 centimeter already it was. So we shall put the compass at E and we draw an arc of radius that's 6 centimeter. Now again we'll put the compass at O, take the measurement of this 4.5 centimeter. You see we have taken the measurement of 4.5 centimeter. Now let us put the compass at O and an arc is drawn. Now this intersecting point is M. So let us join EM and MO. EM is joined. MO is also joined. Now let us write the measurement of each. ER is 4.5 centimeter. RO 6 centimeter. Opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. This is 6 centimeter and this is MO is 4.5 centimeter and EO was 7.5 centimeter. In this way we have constructed the parallelogram MORE. MORE. Alright, rhombus BEST, best where B equal to 4.5 centimeter and it equal to 6 centimeter. Well, let us try to draw the ramp diagram initially. This is best BEST. Let us write the measurement of the side. BE is 4.5 centimeter and ET, the diagonal ET is 6 centimeter. Alright. Now what about the other side? Yes, you are right. We know that all the sides of a rhombus are equal. So this is 4.5 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter. This is also 4.5 centimeter. So how we draw? At first, let us draw this diagonal. Okay, each side is 4.5 centimeter. Each is 4.5 centimeter and the diagonal is 6 centimeter. Okay, so suppose it is BEST. In this way, let us draw. So initially, let us start from the diagonal TE. Okay, now here in the graph, let us draw this side 4.5 centimeter initially. Dear students, probably you understood that this is the easiest question in this exercise. Okay, here we have drawn the diagonal T is 6 centimeter and the measurement of this is 4.5 centimeters. Okay, all the sides is 4.5 centimeter. Now students, let us take the measurement of this 4.5 centimeter. Here you can see this is 4.5 centimeter. We have already taken. Now from each vertex or from each point, let us draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter. From here this 4.5 centimeter. From here 4.5 centimeter. From here and a radius of 4.5 centimeter. From here let us construct a radius of 4.5 centimeter. Now only one thing is left to join this. Okay, so here this point is S and this point is, you can see, B. So the rhombus will be BEST. This is constructed. S is joined. Now let us join EB. Then we join PB. Now let us write the measurement of each side. It is 4.5 centimeter. Alright students, so we have constructed the rhombus based BEST. Alright, thank you students.